and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the fade feels natural. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Fade In, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video gradually becomes visible, creating a smooth and polished reveal. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how slow or fast the fade happens. Shorter duration creates a quick and subtle fade. Longer duration makes the transition slower and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the fade matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a fade in reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.